Guys, this is insane. We are almost hitting the $66,000 on Bitcoin on May 4th. May the force be with Bitcoin, because we might see another all-time high today. We got some levels I want you to see. I want to talk about this. I want to talk also about the total market cap and also about Ethereum. So please hit hard that like button and leave some comments for the channel so we can keep on making these kind of videos for you. And let's start right now. Okay guys, so yesterday I was making some TA on the Bitcoin chart, and I drew some levels that I want to talk about because they do a lot of sense with the market structure we are forming on the market. So first of all, we have some green values and some yellow values. These yellow values comes from golden pocket Fibonacci. We had two Fibonacci retracements that I am going to put in front of you so you can sort these levels out. So we're going to pull out the Fibonacci tool, and we're going to take this low right here, and we can put it to this other high right here. And look how it perfectly matches this golden pocket, this area I had drew on the $41,000. It also makes a lot of sense to me as it sustains this price action that it's trading above this area. So it made perfect support on December to, I think, to January. Yeah. So now that we are looking at this Fibonacci, we could see some targets. We could see the all-time high, the $69,000 all-time high being hit with this Fibonacci target. We didn't have any big retracement to these levels, but it's coming up, it's breaking already, and it may be coming to the $69,000 all-time high. Now if we measure Fibonacci, let's make this, let's put this target over here, this all-time high. We're gonna change the color to maybe orange. Then let's take this Fibonacci retracement and put it from this low right here, and then we have this target on $67,000. We can do maybe an area from this target to this target. So we have now this target zone that might be hit in the next hours. We are just $1,000 from this possible target for Bitcoin. I wanted to talk more about these possible levels being hit, but we are actually having this break into these Fibonacci levels. In this other Fibonacci, we had the golden pocket right here that it matches perfectly with the $47,000 peak that we had right here on January. This is when the ETF was released, and we had this movement price to then had this massive sell to $38,000. It still matches perfectly with the market structure we have here. We also had these support levels on lower time frame. So for example, if we go to 4-hour time frame, it was making perfect support. Here we had some kind of resistance that it had been broken. Now it's becoming support. So let's change its color. to a green one. So now let's have a look on Ethereum, that it's still struggling with this resistance that we used to had on Bitcoin. We also had some levels, some same levels as we drew with Bitcoin with the Fibonacci retracement. If we draw from this low right here to this peak that we have right here, we have this Fibonacci level. Let's make it a little tighter to this close for the candles. That I think it matches more on the closes of these wicks. It makes much more sense. And also the same thing, if we put the Fibonacci retracement on this other low right here, then it matches with the perfect peak from the Bitcoin ETF release. Let's now have a look to total market cap, because we are seeing definitely a parabolic movement. So let's take the curve tool so we can kind of make a tendency of this parabolic movement, and then you will see. Let's try to fit this like this. I think this parabolic movement, we definitely not know when it's gonna end. On parabolic movements like this, nobody knows when it's gonna end. But we definitely can see some resistance coming. If you see these wicks over here on this peak right here, this wick right here, that resembled the Bitcoin chart, we can definitely see some resistance coming up on this part on the $2.4 trillion. We are definitely seeing some resistance on crypto total market cap. So don't be surprised if we have the already mentioned correction that everybody's waiting for on this part of the chart on crypto total market cap. Let's see if we can spot something similar on the Bitcoin price. So let's put this chart on a daily, or maybe on 4 days, so we can get a clearer view of what I'm telling you. And we don't have the same thing as crypto total market cap, but we are definitely getting closer to the all-time high, and it has some weeks of weakness on this top that might have some reaction on Bitcoin price. It already had some reaction, that it was this level that we had drew right here on the 60, which was it? Let me get on this $64,000. We were expecting this reaction according to this weakness on these weeks on the last all-time high. Now we can see this coming to our target that we just drew out of the Fibonacci levels, that it matches perfectly with the week of the all-time high. So don't be surprised if we hit this target and get this correction right here. Or don't get also surprised if we break with strength and keep on moving forward, because Bitcoin is always doing what it has to do, and it never waits for anybody. For example, on these levels, they were never touched, and it kept moving forward with a lot of strength. We don't know where it's gonna end, but we have to. Nobody knows where it's gonna end, but what we can do is draw these lines where the probability for the action price is to have some kind of reaction. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know on the comments below if you enjoyed these videos on English. If my English was very clear, please let me know. If you had trouble or a difficult time to keep on this video because of it, also let me know on the comments below. I hope to see you on the next video. We keep in touch here on Cryptonema. Bye bye.